This is the new Mercedes-AMG SL 63 Motorsport Collector's Edition. It reflects the look of the Mercedes W12 Formula 1 car. The metallic paint has a color graduation from silver to obsidian black, combined with the familiar Petronas green for a contrasting effect. The rear half of the car has many three-pointed stars to echo the race car. As standard, it comes with the AMG aerodynamics package with bigger flicks at both the front and rear aprons. The kit tailored to the SL also contains a beefier diffuser and some changes to the underbody to improve airflow. Many black accents have been added, being part of the standard AMG Night Package and AMG Night Package 2, including a black chrome grille, dark brake calipers, and black badging. It comes with 21-inch wheels with a 10 twin-spoke design and gets a black electrically operated fabric roof. Guys, if you like the car, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.